Number 24. Note, figure not drawn to scale, so don't try to measure things and figure it out that way. It won't work. Right triangle ABC is shown. What is the value of tangent of A? Two things they're testing here: your knowledge of the trigonometric identities, sine, cosine, tangent, and also of 30, 60, 90 triangles. That is key for this one. If I'm not mistaken, they still do provide that. You can pull that up, 30, 60, 90 triangles, and the numbers for that. But it's always easier, faster if you have those memorized. If you forget it, don't worry about it. Use the reference. That's what it's there for. But if you can memorize it ahead of time so you know it just like that, it's going to be better and faster. Okay, so for a 30, 60, 90 triangle, which is what we have here, this is the 30, there's the 60. Man, I can't draw on a screen or write on a screen today to save my life. 30, 60, 90, and this is 54. Okay, the pattern for a 30, 60, 90 triangle goeth thusly. The side that is alongside the 60 is your x. The side that is the hypotenuse, the longest side, is 2x. And the side that's alongside the 30 is x times the square root of 3. The only way I always would remember that is the 3 and the 30, they line up. And then the others, if I remember, one's x and one's 2x, well, the long one's obviously going to be twice that, right? Right. That's how my brain would work. I don't know if that helps everyone or anyone, but that helped me. So here's our pattern over here. This side is 54. That is equivalent to 2 times x. So to find x, I need to divide by 2. So half of 54, or 54 divided by 2, is 27. And now that I have my x, I can multiply it by the square root of 3, and I have that side. Now I need to know the tangent of A, and this is A up here. Tangent is equal to the length of an angle, in this case angle A. It's going to be the length of the opposite side over the length of the adjacent side. The opposite side is kind of like, if I'm sitting at a table and I'm sitting here, there's someone who's sitting opposite me, I'm looking at them. Someone who's adjacent to me, like I can bump them with my elbow. So here, angle A, the side that is opposite angle A, is the side it's looking at. And then the side that is adjacent to angle A is the one that it's bumping. And if you're wondering what the third one is called, that is the hypotenuse. It's always the longest one. It's a fancy one. The opposite and adjacent, we're talking about the legs, the two legs of the triangle. Okay, so the opposite side, the one angle A is looking at, is going to be 27 times the square root of 3. And the adjacent side, the one that's bumping elbows with, is 27. Okay, so that is 27 times the square root of 3, and then we have 27 on the bottom. We can cancel those out. It's one of those fun things we can do with fractions. So they cancel out. Boom, boom, 1, 1. And I am just left with square root of 3. So the tangent of angle A is going to be C, square root of 3. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com, and if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.